to 10 miles per hour. Friday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the lower 50s. Saturday, partly sunny. Highs in the lower 60s. Saturday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then clearing.
This is a weekly test of the new weather radio all hazard warning device for stations that will be north about 39 in Allentown.
Sunday night, mostly clear in the evening.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, especially the overseas. Will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas near the city of Philadelphia in Pennsylvania: Bruce, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. In New Jersey: Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem. In Delaware: Kent and Newcastle, including Upper Delaware Bay. And in Maryland: Cecil, including Chesapeake Bay North of Fools Island. This concludes the weekly Test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station KIH 28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.